Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular JCB machine over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be just selecting this and I'll go over here and I'll mirror it. I'll copy it in y-axis and I'll just slightly I'll place it over here in this way. So that can be done over here. So I have just placed this element right now over here. So after that, again I'll create one box over here. So I'll just select this and let's create a box over here in this way. So I'll slightly just push it a bit inside over here. So slightly rotate it more, go to the top, shuffle it a bit inside over here. So convert to editable poly, select the polygons, slightly just shuffle it out and let's click on Inset. That's it. Alright. So I'll again end isolate this stuff. And now what I'll do over here is like I'll slightly just push this down if required or else I'll again go over here. I'll select this and I'll put one loop over here. I'll select this polygons over here and slightly extrude it till here. Let's click OK. Now select the vertices and now again take a line. I'll off the auto grid in this way. So if you see this is going to get connected in this way. So I can just go to the top view over here and let's go into this and slightly blend it in this way. So let's just push this up till here in this way. So again go over here. Now go into rendering, enable in viewport, increase its thickness in this way. So select the vertices, push it over here in this way, like this. So push this up again, just push this down. So can be done in this way. I can just slightly push that part down over here. Select this, again shuffle this up if required. Again I'll go into this, I'll just take a cylinder over here, go into this and reduce the height segments over here. So convert to editable poly over here I'll just add a swift loop over here. So I'll just go into this. So this tutorial is going to take a long time because we are generating too many details for it. So if you are thinking to generate too many details, it's going to take time. Okay, so very fine details we are just creating over here. Now what we'll be doing next over here is like, if you want, I can slightly just shuffle this up over here, and I can just push this up. Alright. Now the next thing with what we'll be doing over here is like, let's again take a line tool, go into this view over here, and off this over here like this, just drag it, shuffle it over here, and enable in viewport, reduce its thickness, select the vertices, so slightly will give a bit of fillet over here if required. Then again I'll go into this view over here and will slightly just shuffle it inside this one. So this is going to get connected in this way. So select this stuff and slightly just rotate it. So let's give a bit of fillet to it and reduce the thickness of it. So we can slightly reduce the thickness if required over here. So let's again go to the top view. Again take a line. I'll just off this enable in viewport. I'll go out of it and I'll just place it over here. Shuffle this and make it rectangular. Increase its thickness. Slightly you can increase the width. So I'll convert to editable poly. I'll just select all of this. So I'll just remove the segments. If not required, I'll just remove this. So select this polygons. Select this polygons over here, and let's slightly give a bit of bevel and end isolate this. So we can do some kind of details in this way just to show. Again I'll go into this. So once you're done with this, now we need to take some other reference over here. I think this much details are sufficient. So let's go into rendering. Let's go into file, view image file, and let's take some other reference. So now let's again go into the side view over here So let's take, so we need to model this stuff. How we can model this? Let's take a line along this over here. I'll just take this much of the shape like this, like this, and like this. So you can just close the shape in this way. So now if you see the shape over here, we have slightly made one shape over here. Let's go into this, give a refine, and let's make this as smooth over here in this way. So let's make it as smooth. Let's again give one more refine, make this as smooth again. So before we give this as smooth, over here again assign refine, make this as smooth. So select this part and let's give a bit of fillet. So let's go into this and give an extrude modifier. So we have modeled this with the help of line over here. So let's just shuffle this over here in this way. So we can slightly push this a bit closer. Okay, that looks good. Good enough. Shuffle this up. Make this as corner. Alright. So again, take a refine. Make this as smooth. Push it down. So again, go over here and take a cylinder. Let's activate a cylinder over here. So convert to editable poly. Let's use a swift loop. Select the polygons. Extrude it by local normal. Now shuffle this. So this will be putting it over here also. So let's just duplicate it. First save the file. And let's just duplicate it. So select the vertices, shuffle it over here. So sorry, what we'll be doing is I'll just make this half over here. I'll select this and I'll just mirror it in the axis till here, till here. So select the vertices and let's mirror it in this axis. Okay. So the same way, select the vertices, push it over here, mirror it and make a copy of it So let's just attach it. Select this and this, and let's bridge it. So the same way, we'll be doing the same over here. So just select this, attach it with this, select this polygons and bridge it. Okay. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.